Ever since I became a content creator, I'm very conscious about my outlook. The things I like to do to maintain my optimum physical outlook is by maintaining good skin as well as looking fit on screen. So because I'm always in front of camera and I'm fair, and with the lighting, I will often look very plump or very chubby on screen. I gain weight very easily, so I always look for ways to lose weight, to slim down, and not look so fat on screen. Why this is so important to me is because I work with a lot of brands, and most of the time I do a lot of user-generated contents on TikTok as well as here on YouTube. So I need to look my best on camera. And today I want to share with you what I have been taking in order to look good as well as to stay slim. I'm very excited to share with you guys something I've discovered because I have tried many slimming products and many skincare supplements, and today I'm very excited to share with you this Glow Shakes by the Collagen Co. By the look of it, it looks like just another collagen supplement, but this one is in fact a meal replacement. So it does several things. Firstly, it's a meal replacement, so it helps in weight loss as well as it's good for the skin because it has 17.5 grams of collagen. So collagen is well known to be good for your skin, nails as well as hair. So by just drinking this for your meal replacement, you'll be able to save time as well as it will look good. I have been on this weight loss journey for a couple of years, and currently I'm doing intermittent fasting. My eating window is within the 8 hours and I fast for 16 hours. Recently, my weight hit a plateau and I'm starting to gain weight, probably because I'm too used to that diet and I have not been very disciplined in terms of my diet. That means I've been eating too much junk. So this is going to be an exciting video because I will challenge myself to a 7-day diet to try out this glow shake to replace my meal for 7 days, and we'll see the before and the after. So let's jump right into day 1. So right now I'm going to weigh myself, and this is day 1 right before I take the glow shake. Okay, so right now my weight is 58.5 kg. Since I'm doing intermittent fasting, I only eat 2 main meals a day, which is my lunch as well as dinner. It is advisable to replace 2 meals with this shake, but because I only eat 2 meals a day, I cannot be replacing all my meals. So instead of 2 meals, I'll be replacing it only with 1 meal. So this collagen glow shakes claim to help in weight loss and fat reduction. It will help to curb hunger and feel fuller for longer, which is very important because I'm going on a fast. The last meal that I take is usually the dinner, so I plan to replace this with my dinner so that I can fast for the 16 hours. And then it will help to increase energy and focus. So because it has MCT oil, I have been taking a lot of MCT oil throughout the years, and I know that this is super good for mental clarity because MCT oil help you to stay focused. This glow shake also helps to reduce cellulite and wrinkles because of the collagen content, and it is high content of collagen. It will give you thicker, healthier hair, and it will support healthy gut as well. Okay, let's try this. It smells good. It smells like strawberry ice cream. Oh, it does taste like strawberry ice cream. It's nice, it's really nice. I think the powder can easily dissolve and it is not grainy at all, so it's definitely tastes really good. So this one actually helped to curb the appetite. I hope that this shake can actually last me till tomorrow 11 because I'm doing an intermittent fasting. I'm back from my jog and right now it's about 7:30 a.m. So usually after I rest, I will drink a cup of black coffee. Yep, so this is purely black coffee and it won't break my fast. So I just want to share how I feel after drinking the glow shake, and I didn't eat anything after that. So I had glow shake and then I had a yogurt, a triple berry yogurt with some nuts and some dried fruits. Yep, that's all. And right now, after jogging, I still feel there's a burst of energy. I don't feel hungry. Usually after jogging, I will feel a bit hungry. Yeah, because I have like the whole 12 hours not eating, and also usually about 10 p.m. I will start to be hungry. So right now I feel that I'm still energetic and really very alert. I think thanks to the MCT oil. I know the benefits of MCT oils are fantastic. I used to drink that a lot during my keto days. So yeah, let's see how later I'll be eating lunch at about 11 a.m. Day 2 weighing in. 57.4. Wow. So I lost 1 kg. Or maybe it's just water weight. So because I went cycling and I feel hungry right now, I mix this shake with milk to fill myself up. So the taste is much better. I feel that it's creamier and it's thicker. So I think this will last me longer and will fill me up. Day 3 weighing in. $56.8. So today is the third day that I'm drinking this glow shake, and I feel my energy level is pretty good. So today I am going to have dinner, and the dinner I'm going to have some light bites. So I'm going to drink this as a snack, my afternoon snack. So today, instead of eating snacks, I'll be drinking this because I really can't miss out my dinner. And because I'm gonna have dinner, I never put any milk. So this is just pure cold water, and I mix 2 scoops of the glow shake. One more thing that I noticed is that my bowel movement is pretty good. Because of intermittent fasting, I usually experience constipation. Ever since I started drinking this, I feel that my bowel movement is very smooth, which is fantastic. I think this is a very good and very healthy drink. Day 4 weighing in. 57.4. Today seems to be heavier, not sure why. This is my go-to lunch. So it's a wrap with cheese and fried egg, as well as a piece of ham here. And then I just chop up some tomatoes and cucumber. I eat this on repeat. Day 5 weighing in. 57.5. This glow shakes contains very low sugar, and per serving is only contains 205 calories. And the best thing is this one contains 29 grams of protein. Day 6 weighing in. So today is 57.2. So in total, I've lost 1.3 kg for 6 days. So tomorrow is the last day, and I'm excited to see how much I lost for the past 7 days. Day 7 weighing in. 56.4. In 7 days, I lost a total of 2 kg with just one replacement of this glow shake. So I'm very impressed with the result. Because that's such a short period of time I'm able to lose 2 kg. I'm very excited to continue drinking this glow shake and see how much more I can lose. My ideal weight is 52 kg and right now I'm 56, so another 4 kg to go. I believe if I continue drinking this and replacing my dinner for another 3 weeks, I'll be able to achieve my goal. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you the result after 1 month of consuming this glow shake. As for my skin and my hair result, because it's only 1 week of testing this product, I don't have a very visible result, but my skin do look very clear and firm at the same time, so the radiance is there. But one thing I noticed is my hair. I feel that my hair is very thick right now. Most probably it's because I've been taking this consistently every day. I feel that any woman should try this product out because firstly, it is very delicious, and secondly, you don't need to worry of your 1 or 2 meals because you can just replace it with this. At the same time, you will feel energetic and it can help you in your weight loss journey. So I urge you guys to try this out if you want to look good on camera. I will leave a link to this product down in the description box below, and don't forget to key in my code to get a 10% discount. Simply key in May 10 during checkout. As always, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!